group of scholars. You'll see all of this cited. It turns out that fair process is the most important key to leadership. It's not enforcement of rules, it's universal enforcement of rules. It's fair enforcement of rules. That is exactly why and when rule enforcement actually goes well. It can be called procedural justice, if you will. And that is also based on some very fine research. Then there's another aggregation of research. I think this one is a meta-analysis by the Journal of Experimental Criminology, where 123 studies involving 200,000 people found that in the very of police enforcement, that it's fairness that's the key. Not being tough, not being mean, but being neutral and being universal in your principles, with all people being treated equally. That turns out to work out much, much better in terms of the successful enforcement of rules in that very critical and very nerve-wracking area of human life, namely leadership under fire, leadership when there's danger. There is also other things that you can see in the article, but basically, one other thing that's important is that moral identity and moral self-righteousness of leaders is not helpful. In other words, when the leader comes off as being there, emphasizing their perfect righteousness, that they're always right, that also seems to lower compliance and lower rule enforcement. So this is all suggesting that the character of the leader makes a great deal, and the leader's ability to be humble, self-controlled, and fair is really quite critical. By contrast, authoritarian leadership that's mean-spirited always leads to more and more destructive results. And I'm stimulating this